Whether you like them or not, Memoji are now a thing. Now in iOS 12, Apple just released Memoji, which are very much like these Animoji, except they're human-like and customizable. To create your Memoji, you can open your messaging app, tap on the iMessage App Store icon, and then tap on the Animoji icon. In here, you'll be given all of your Animojis as usual, along with some new ones in iOS 12, by the way, and can swipe over to the left to get to the new Memoji. Tap the plus sign here to add a new Memoji, and it'll bring you to the customization options. First, you'll choose your skin tone, from yellow to real skin tones to purple and blue even, and then you'll choose whether to have freckles and how much. After that, we can choose our hairstyle. There are a ton of them, and they start with the longer ones at the top and move to shorter ones as you scroll down. And we can do hair color as well, and again, no shortage of colors. You can even give yourself highlights in whatever color you want. Moving on, we can choose our head shape next, and this apparently starts with 3 options for age. Young, average, I guess, and old, which is just average with a couple of lines above your mouth. Then you can choose from a bunch of chin options. Swiping over, we have eyes, where you can choose from the same colors that are in every option, basically. And then you can choose from the various shapes, and then eyelashes. After that, we have an entire section devoted to eyebrows. And then we have 3 different nose sizes to choose from currently, as well as 6 different lip sizes. You can also choose from any number of lip colors, naturally. 3 ear sizes follow that, and options for earrings, as well as the ability to change the color of the earrings. For facial hair, we have 3 sideburn options, from none to full-on Wolverine. And then a crap ton of mustaches, beards, soul patches, dastardly evil villain mustaches, etc. Next, you can add eyewear in a bunch of different frames that you can customize the color of, as well as the lens color. And finally, we have headwear, aka hats, and you can, of course, change the color of those as well. After that, you can tap done and it'll save the Memoji in your Animojis. Now to use the Animoji, we can first off edit it, duplicate it in case you maybe want to create a different look for yourself, or delete your Memoji by tapping the 3 dots to the left and then choosing one of those options. To send the Memoji, you can just tap on the record button and you'll have up to 30 seconds to record a message and make whatever facial expressions you want. You can also tap stop to end the recording early. After that, you can watch it back and either tap the trash can to redo it, or the arrow to send it. Now you can send it to anyone, by the way. They don't need to have the feature or even an iPhone for it to work. It'll just show up as a video clip on devices that aren't iMessage enabled. You can also use the camera within Messages to then overlay these onto your face by tapping on the Animoji icon in there and then tapping on your Memoji. You can then, of course, act out something. It's not creepy at all. And then send them to them that way. And you can also use Animoji in here as well, and both of these will be available in FaceTime too. Now, if you want to share it outside of messaging, you can tap it, tap the share icon, and then tap save to save it to your gallery. You can also, as a shortcut, tap and hold on it and tap save as well. Then you can find it in your camera roll and tap the share icon from there to share it to any normal sharing service that you want. You can also have more than one Memoji, by the way, which I kind of mentioned, which means that you can have different looks for yourself, or maybe even recreate your friend to send them their own face. That could be fun. There you go, guys, how to use Memoji. If you liked the video, please like, comment, or subscribe. Also, don't forget to check the bell next to the word subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. Also, quick shout out to WeWork, the co-working location that I've been at for about 2 years. They're giving you guys, if you want, up to 20% off your first year at the co-working location of your choice. They're all over the world. Check the link below. This is not sponsored, just giving a quick shout out to them because I appreciate them letting me film in here. As always though, regardless, thanks for watching.